I tērā hōtaka o Jimi'S World, I riro te oranga tiraata o Jimmy I tana taka I te pae o whakaro tōtika. Pāmama e te tehi o ōna hoa I te putanga o te tehi raru. Ahakoa e ngana ana a Jimmy ki te takahi I te arapono ki te whai moni au ware ake.
You're stuck, G. You're stuck. There's walls all around you. I put walls around you.
Kaore hoki I riwha I te hea nei, te tono, I te penihana.
All the bosses are racist? You know. Come on, you know.
Kua roa te ara ki te pae o raro e putu ana. Engari, kua pae tēnā waka kiuta.
Boom! Oh, yo! What's up, homies? What's happening? What's cracking? What's crack-a-lacking happening? I've been banned for 6 months, but I'm back, bitches. Booyah! Did you guys miss me? Oh, shit. Damn. Weren't there milli views, cuz? You guys missed me. Thumbs up if you missed me. Thumbs up. 200. Yeah. 200. Yo, you guys missed me. I missed you too. I missed you so much. And I'm back. Put up the hotness, man. Yeah, YouTube. Oh, I didn't know you like hearing nipples. What are you doing, YouTube? Oh, we missed you, Jimmy Jackson TV. Oh, okay. 2 mil. You're gonna keep rubbing my nips me up. Oh, damn. 2 mil. Oh, YouTube. 2 mil. YouTube. 2 mil. YouTube. 2 mil. Oh,
So what was that about?
I just had a dream I was on YouTube again. We were getting like millions of views, man.
Ratchet.
But there must be a way, like, I could ask them to unban me. Like, there must be a way I can get around the ban, eh? Were you here or not?
Yeah, of course.
Sure, bro.
Chat.
Oh my... Why?
E rorirori haere ana a Jimmy I te korenga o na I āhei ki te eke I Pūrangi. Engari, kei tōna kaiwhakarite mahi pēr te whakautu.
You're so stupid, why?
A kua karangatia a Jimmy ki tētehi tino karapu hahau Paoro kia kōrero a Wairangi ki aia.
Oh my gosh, are you serious? I actually hate you. And your stupid bag, I hate your bag. Stay up. You're meant to hold the golf sticks, not let them fall out. You stupid shit bag.
What's the par here, Jimmy?
I don't know. How would I know?
Putter. Just test the one. Yep. Putter. Give me a putter.
What?
Putter.
Ciabatta.
No, putter.
What Māori word is that?
No, putter. Putter.
What?
No, club. You're my caddy.
Oh, like a golf stick.
Putter, yeah, the putter.
Why don't you just say, pass me a golf stick?
Thank you. So anyway, I got you on audition
Oh, yeah? Where?
in a kapa haka group. Yeah? Think you can handle that?
I don't want to do kapa haka.
Well, this is your opportunity to resurrect yourself as a Māori person. You're one of those Māori people that's fallen from grace, disgraced himself, made a complete fool of himself, and then rose back up because you got in touch with your tikanga side, okay? Look at the ones like John Tamahere, calling women front bumps. People like, Norm Hewitt, have a little cry, get himself back in the good books.
Yeah.
Dover Samuels with the whole Mimi thing.
I don't know any of them.
Glenn Osborne, Matua Parkinson, all embarrassed themselves.
I still don't know any of those people.
Once you find your tikanga, once you go back to your traditional roots, okay, people will love you. You don't forget your roots, my friend, okay? You don't forget your roots. That's an old Māori proverb for you.
That's a song by 660.
60 what?
660.
66, 60.
660. It's a song. Don't forget your roots, my friend.
Oh, forget your family, yeah. You don't know that song?
I'm pretty sure that's an Apiranganata song. Yeah.
Well, Apiranganata steals the lyrics.
I'm pretty sure.
Apiranganata stole that song.
He didn't. You like that idea? You know what else you like?
What?
A no-look putter shot. Straight in. You like that? Perfect.
Yeah, nah. Yeah, when you reckon, nah, yeah? I'm not a kapa haka guy, am I? I don't even know what skirt size I am. Or how to do the poi poi shit. Boy, yeah, na ta ta va da. Yeah. Nah, that's not me. I could do it. Or I could do anything. Tourists do love that shit. That's where the money's at, man. All the performances, they just film it. Yeah, they film it all. With social media these days, they'll be all over YouTube, Facebook, YouTube. Oh, true that. And then, because I'll be all over YouTube again, they'd have to, bro, hard. Why not do that? I'll join Kapa Haka. All the tourists will be filming social media these days. Snapchat, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. They'll be filming it all over YouTube. And Jimmy Jackson will be back on YouTube, even though I'm banned from YouTube, but I'll be on YouTube. So YouTube might as well unban me, because I'm on YouTube, even though I'm banned from YouTube. And even if YouTube didn't unban me, I could be like, you're being racist, because I'm Māori-as. You just don't want a Māori-as YouTuber. Yo, bro, that's it. That's what we're, yeah, we're doing it. We're doing it. Sweet. Yeah, I'm going to tell why. Chat. Kia ora, I'm here for the kapa haka. It's going red. Fucking white ass. We're pink Māori. No pink Māoris. I'll get brown. I'll get a little tan. Get a little. Yeah. No. Yeah. This is gonna take ages. Sure. Holy shit. Damn, bro, you look good. Gee, you look like a Hershey's Kiss. A proper Māori. How sexy you look, man. Coming. Hello?
Jimbo. Why? Hey, bro. Don't forget your kapa haka audition.
Yeah, I'm on my way. It'll be like 5 minutes.
Win them over, bro. Win them over. Get them a coffee.
Ah, shit.
Kua rite te whakamātautau kapa haka. A kua whaia Jimmy I ngā kōrero a Wairangi, kia hoko e kawhe, kia pai ai te rōpu ki aia.
Hey, bro. Can I get a full black without the white? And then a full white without the black? And then I want a boy sack. And then I want a water, but in a takeaway cup, but without the cup. And just give me the lid with a sugar on the side.
Get out.
Pardon?
Get out.
Well, you're not going to serve me.
No, I'm not going to serve you. Get out.
Oh, shit.
Kua taka te kapa, kua he ia. Kaore hoki e pai kia puta he heitara mata mangu anō.
Oi, off! Get out of here! Sorry, bro. Sorry.
Kapa haka auditions, mate?
Oh, yeah, bro. Yep.
Oh, kia ora.
Kia ora. I'm just here for the kapa haka audition.
Yeah, bro, you're the right place. You coming?
Yeah, bro, we got some mean pictures and walls up in here, eh?
Yeah, welcome to the kapa haka auditions, cuz. We're just gonna have a jam and just jump in whenever you're ready.
Sweet ass, bro.
Kia rite. it. Whoa.
What's up? What's up?
We know you love Papa Tourniquet, bro, but you might want to keep your head up and like perform to us, so we know.
Oh, yeah, all good, my bro.
Yeah.
Just put my head up, eh?
Yeah.
Cheer,
That's
bro.
all, cuz. Cheer. Oh.
All good?
Yeah, when you're ready, sweet.
Yeah, bro. Cheer.
We'll just jam again and, yeah, show us what you got, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Cheer. Kia ora te. Whoa, cuz.
Gab on him.
Bro, your face.
Just because I'm white as, and I don't feel Māori enough for like kapa haka, you know what I mean?
Hey, so you painted your face just to come to kapa haka to get accepted.
Yeah, that's exactly what I did.
Cuz, let me tell you something. Doesn't matter what color you are, doesn't matter how old you are. If you're Māori, you're Māori. Kapa haka's not about color, it's not about race, it's just about love.
Oh, bro, hard, eh? Nah, you're right, bro.
See what I mean?
I don't know what I was thinking, G.
Yeah. Cuz, it's all good, man, it's all good.
Yeah, bro, let's just have another jam then, eh?
To be honest, you're pretty shitty. Next, haramai. Too much, bro.
Cheer, cuzzy. Oh, well, cheer, bro.
Too much.
Cheer.
See you.
See you sometime. Yo, Māori, mate.
Kua kore ia e mahi kapa haka, engari kua kite a wā I te hinatore I te pou.
I've had an idea, Jimmy. Step into my office, my friend. Sure. That's your one, That's sexy.
I don't know, it's not one of those ones.
That was for my feet.
What about that one?
That's from the club. Yeah.
This one's like on the ground pretty much.
Yeah, you're right. I've had an idea. You know how I do the stuff for whānau ora? You know, the charity?
Yeah, I know. Is that like Rita Ora?
No, it's whānau ora. Okay?
Yeah,
it's a
whānau
health
ora.
industry. It's a Māori thing. She's obviously not Māori.
But it's still Ora. Maybe it's like an English Ora.
Let's just forget the Rita Ora thing.
And Jimmy Ora.
Let's just forget Rita.
Funny stuff.
Let's forget Jimmy and Rita for a second. My idea is, okay, you as a positive Māori role model, okay?
Positive Māori role model.
Yeah. Okay. Now you're starting to get some tikanga back as well.
Tikanga.
Maybe put together a little video and then put it out there. I'll pass it on to the right people, okay? Earn you a position back in whānau ora.
Yo, that's actually a good idea, bro. There's a lot of Māori dads out there today, acting hard, acting like the next Jake the Muss. But they can't even change a diaper. If you can't change a diaper, you're not hard. You're soft. You ain't no Jake the Muss. You're Jake the Muff. Okay? Now, to recreate the contents of a baby's shitty diaper, I got a few kinners, few oysters, few cashews, and a bit of Milo, and I let it sit on my car roof for a few days. And this is what it... Hold on. So that has created this. And this is what every newborn baby's diaper looks like. So if you can handle this... So if you can handle this, then you're a real man. And at the end of the day, it's just breast milk. I need to throw up.
He āhua hou tō Jimmy. He tauira pāpā rangatahi Māori. I tonua ki ngā tāngata o whānau ora. Ā kai te kite a wai I e tehi āheinga.
Oh, good news, Jimmy. You that little male role model thing you did for whānau ora?
There,
They
the video.
loved it.
Are you serious?
Yeah. So now, what I need you to do is, I need you to go have an interview. Just to present yourself to whānau ora, and then hopefully we will become providers.
Do we want to be providers?
We want to be providers
Why do we want to be providers?
because whānau ora has a lot of money. And if we can get some of that money, we're talking a lot of money,
How much money do they have?
that much. That silly little laugh I did? Yeah, that much money. We'll be like Willie Jackson. You know Willie Jackson?
No.
Willie Jackson, just driving around on Māori taxpayers' money and stuff.
Oh, real, is he?
Right.
Yeah.
Oh,
Is
You
he
want a
a
Mercedes?
provider? Is he a provider?
he's a provider. You want a Mercedes?
I want a Mercedes.
I'll get you 2 if you become a provider for whānau ora. It's like that old Māori saying, you know, I'm a provider, I'm not gonna give
I'm
up.
not gonna give up.
I'm a
gonna
provider.
provide it.
I
Keep
want
on
a
providing.
Mercedes.
Oh, yo.
You
Hard
know
out. That can be me. I can do that.
Okay. Well, you better provide for us, pal. Provide for us.
I'm a provider.
That's enough.
I'm going.
That's enough.
Mō tō tātou tua tangata taitai ā, kāore I pai ki te hunga pāpāho tēnei atapaki. Ahakoa he wā poto I eke a Jimmy ki te ipurangi, me whakapūaho ia I tēnei take.
And my face isn't even black, it's brown. It literally looks like I face planted in shit. Straight up. And it doesn't even say blackface. It says Blackson. Jimmy Jackson, Jimmy Blackson. Do you see what I did there? You know, like, cause Jimmy Brownson wasn't as cool. Jimmy Blackson, Jimmy Jackson. Just way better, just fits way better. You know, if anyone should be apologizing, it should be the media and the people that accused me of being racist. Because you pretty much made it racist by accusing me of being racist, even though it's not racist. So yeah, pretty sure that's it. Yep, trap.
E hake I te mea me pērā rawa, hareru ia ki a koe ipurangi. He rā anō, he hui anō I te papahahau pālo ma Jimmy rawa ko Wairangi.
Why are you still here? How many hours do you spend a day here?
It's just focus, okay? Like The Rock said, focus. It's how you get to the top of the game. It's how you win NRL championships by playing mini golf 12 hours a day. Anyway, let's move on from that, okay? There's been some interesting developments in that little blackface thing that you did. You know what I'm talking about?
I didn't do anything wrong, man.
Well, take a look at that. Those people and everybody else think that you were doing a little experiment and that the cafe was being racist, refusing to serve you.
Oh, yo! I was doing an experiment.
No, you weren't.
I could say I was.
Well, that's where we're going to go with this thing.
Me?
Okay, so now we can just let the dust settle, let bygones be bygones.
What's a bygone?
It's a cousin to the dugong. I think we should
Let's
just
just
let the
try
dust
it.
settle.
Let's
Just
just
let
try
the
it.
dust settle.
Let's
Just
try
let
it.
the dust settle.
Just try
Just
one
settle
meal.
the dust.
Just try one meal.
Settle the dust.
I got that before you got in. Can we just try and get one meal at least?
No, I don't think so.
half
You got
a
more
brick.
things. You got bigger things to concentrate. To be honest,
at least
you
some
got bigger
crust.
things to concentrate on. Okay, this whānau water thing. Okay, get yourself sorted for that, and we'll be sweet.
Once if we get hungry, you know.
You go buy some food somewhere.
Why would I? Okay. Yeah.
Go get my clubs. Come on, let's go.
So what? What do you want me to do?
Put it in the car.
Te wāhanga tuatahi o te rautaki a wai, he wāhi I te hōtaka kōrerorero hou a whakāta Māori Honesty Hour.
Kia ora, Jimmy. Kei te pē a koe. Would you like to take us through what happened that day?
Yeah. I just don't want to start bursting into tears straight away. Be strong, Jimmy, be strong. Well, I've got a lot of mixed race friends. Like, I've got a lot of Asian friends, Japanese, Indian, African, Black, American.
Multicultural.
Well, thank you very much for that word. Fiji Indian, Māori Asian, Masian, Islander mates.
Lots of mates.
I've just got lots of mates, yeah, not all of them have grown up in New Zealand, so some of them still have their strong accents, and which I like, which is you should keep your accent where you're from, And they've always told me New Zealand is quite a racist country, And me hearing that, like, you know, straight Māori, Yaura, I was like, what? No? Like, no way. Like, we're good as you know? Like, we're always like, Turbo. And they keep disagreeing with me. They're like, nah, I don't know how you don't see it, that you guys are racist. And so, puzzled constantly and just couldn't understand, couldn't believe it. So I wanted to put it to the test. So I did an experiment where I put brown paint on my face. Pretty much became the darker version, the real version of myself, because I am Māori, a white Māori. You know, we have white Māoris because the English bring over white people and then the Māoris bang them. That's why these white Māoris exist, because I think they gave us some guns and we're like, yo, you can have some woman. Or we were like, you give us some of your white woman and we'll do trades and stuff. So that's how that happened. That's why there's white Māoris. So I decided to put it to the test. And I did an experiment and I put some brown makeup, like brown bronzer on my face. And I went into one of my local cafes and me expecting, okay, this is gonna be sweet as, they're probably gonna give me free shit because I'm Māori, I'm black, yo, brother from another mother. And then guess what happened? The complete opposite. Kicked out the door straight away for being black. I know, they just kicked me out and I was disgusted. I'm Māori, man, you know? I was shocked, man. Like, I even felt like I got an electric shock. If you're gonna have a cafe like that, put it on KKK Road, you know what I'm saying? I mean, I thought this was a brown country.
What would you like to see happen as a result of your experiment?
Well, I would like the cafe to apologise sincerely, not only to me, but to all Māoris and all brown and black cultural people throughout the world for your disgusting attitude. Just apologise, guys. Just apologise, thank you very much. Because we're hurt. Hey.
Well, someone from the cafe is here and they'd like to offer you something.
Oh, yeah? Awesome.
So, on behalf of the cafe, we'd like to offer you this year's supply of coffee beans.
Oh, thanks, man.
And,
yeah.
If you wouldn't mind, could you let me...
Kiss on my foot.
I tuhia tērā kihi ki ngā puka hitori. Ka kore ngā haututu Māori rongonui e mate ki te whakamōraro ki te hunga pāpāho. I nāia nei, ko te hunga pāpāho kē ka whakamōraro. Koe nā te pōhehe. Engari e haere tahi ana te angitu me te hiahia ki te ākia no i te angitu. Aha koa te aha.
Mr. Jackson, how may I help you? What do you want?
And I don't know. Just bring us a menu.
You know what? We'll open up a tab for you. Actually, well, everything's on the house. Due to our misunderstanding, I really hope you forgive us for that other day.
Oh, yeah, no. All good, my bro. All good. But yeah, all good, my bro. Yeah. Oh, oi, forget the menu. Just bring us one of everything. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I thought. That's what I thought.
Hello?
Jimmy, why? Big whānau order gig today, bro.
Oh, yeah, whānau ora.
Don't blow it.
No, yeah, I'm on my way now.
Jimmy.
Yeah.
Right, Jimmy.
Okay, I'll see you soon.
Oh, shit.
E ki ana te kōrero, kare kau he kai utu kore. A koe nā tonu te kōrero i konei. Kua kore tā Jimmy mahi hei kai kōrero, hei kai whakarato whānau ora anō hoki.
Kei te ohorerea hau I tātāngia a Jimmy mo te kaikiri. Ina, he te akarete a Jimmy. He ki Kinder Surprise tōna ritenga. Prauri ki waho, mā ki roto. Ara he taonga whakatumike ki Wainganui.
He mea tau toko nā te manga.
Hei pāho.